Welcome back. You're watching The Money Show on ET Now. If I tell you that going to the gym can actually help you save money, you probably will just laugh at me because I know a lot of you guys may be spending a lot on your gym memberships. But the truth is that insurance companies nowadays are actually encouraging policyholders to stay fit. And this they are doing so by offering very generous discounts and all sorts of offers and schemes in their insurance policy. Loads of them, right from Aditya Birla to Bajaj Alliance, all of them seem to be providing some or the other sort of encouragement for you to go out there and get fitter. Because at the end of the day, they themselves are quite happy with you being healthy because it means no claims for the company. So great profits as well for the company. So let's understand how exactly this works. What are the terms and conditions? What are the asterisks involved with a policy like this? I have with me Naval Goel, the founder and CEO of PolicyX.com. Hi, Naval. Thank you so much for joining us on The Money Show. You know, unaffordability is usually said to be the most common excuse among individuals for not having Mediclaim. Many don't realize that the cost is not fixed. So share with us, how can one bring down insurance premium cost? I mean, I've already specified one method. If you could delve in more details into that and other ways as well.
Basically, there are 3 or 4 ways in which you can bring down your health insurance premiums. So one of them is definitely opting for a family floater plan instead of an individual plan for each of the family members. So that way what you get is you get a family sum assured, because there is a very high chance that all of the family members will not require the sum assured individually. So family floaters actually save a lot of cost vis-a-vis if you compare it to buying individual health plans. So that is one way of reducing. The second way of reducing is to opt for a policy which covers the benefits that you require, and don't opt for something that you don't require. For example, a lot of people might not require a maternity cover. So you don't opt for policies which cover maternity, because that will increase the premium unnecessarily. The third way would be to opt for longer tenure plans. So a lot of companies like Religare, Cigna, they offer 10% up to 10% discount on 3-year plans. So that ways your premium reduces by 10% straight away, and on top of that you get the benefit of not paying for the inflated cost. So there might be a case where the premium rises in the next year or the year after that. So that premium rise also you are protected from, and also you get a 10% discount. So these are few ways. Apart from that, you can also opt for a plan which has a deductible amount. So let's say you buy a 10 lakh cover, and there is an X amount of premium that you need to pay. So what you can say is that, okay, I will opt for a 10 lakh cover, but only after paying some amount from my own pocket. So that ways you can reduce the premium significantly, because maybe 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees you can pay from your pocket if the claim arises. Usually a lot of people who need higher amount of coverages, so what they want is higher coverage, but they don't want to pay too much of a premium. So they can say that, okay, I can opt for a 1 lakh, 2 lakh deductible, which is the amount that they have to pay from their pocket, and the rest of the claim will be paid by insurance companies. So these are the ways in which you can reduce the premium for health insurance policies.
Okay, interesting. Now, I want to explore the other angle. Thanks to IRDA guidelines, insurance companies are now also promoting wellness and offering such packages, like, for example, the yoga package that we just saw in our graphic. So how does that work? If you could share that with our viewers.
So as it's very obvious, insurance companies, majority of the cost is on claims. So most of these health insurance companies, they'll end up paying claims as much as 65-70%. So promoting preventive healthcare significantly reduces their claim ratios, and thereby which will obviously be passed on to customers as benefits. So the way they are doing it is they are promoting healthy lifestyle by saying that, okay, if you, let's say, walk for X number of steps every month, and if you do this and this thing, so basically they have some plans which are there on their websites, like preventive health checkup and all those things. So if a customer does all of these things, they get discount on their renewal premium. So it's a kind of a win-win situation, because if they do these things, there is a lesser likelihood of them falling ill and therefore claim arising, and therefore it reduces their premium also. So a lot of companies like Cigna has come up with a plan which promotes this kind of thing, which has health risk assessment, targeted risk assessment, etc. on their websites. So you can basically get discounts on your renewal premium after 2 or 3 years.
Okay, so yes, that's how it comes about. Now, tell me, how do the new IRDA guidelines take forward the whole bouquet of health services which actually can be provided to policyholders by insurance companies?
Right. So basically, the regulator has come up with the guidelines that these health insurance companies can actually do a lot more in terms of providing, because all of the insurance policies are regulated in terms of pricing. So these insurance companies have to file the product, and they also have to say the exact amount of premium that they will be charging. So IRDA has provided the flexibility to actually incorporate these healthy lifestyles into policy pricing. So basically, the flexibility offers these insurance companies to offer policies where they can actually reduce the renewal premium, etc., based on the lifestyle of the person. So this will basically enable them to bucketize people in a much more efficient manner. So a healthy person pays lesser premium than an unhealthy person.
Okay. Which insurance companies, by the way, you mentioned a couple like Cigna, etc., which other ones are offering such holistic well-being insurance plans?
Right. So slowly, a lot of companies are actually getting into it. Initially, it was started by Aditya Birla Health Insurance, which is one of their specialized insurance companies. Now, even Cigna has it. Even Religare has these kind of benefits. So a lot of specialized companies are initially starting with it, and we can see the future that most of the insurance companies will be launching these benefits in the years to come.
So, is there any difference in the premium cost if I'm taking one of these wellness or holistic packages versus just a regular health insurance?
So it could result into 10 to 20, 30% of the savings on renewal premium. But obviously, these require certain healthy lifestyles, and a lot of people actually are unable to get these benefits so far. But at least 5 to 10% is what an average person can save on renewal premium.
By the way, Naval, are these options available even in family floater plans?
Yes, absolutely. So, because most of the health insurance policies are which are sold in the market are family floater only. Very rarely an individual buys a policy nowadays. So, these plans definitely cover the entire family.
So, tell me, Naval, then in the fairly distant future, do you see insurance companies also offering vouchers or coverage for gym memberships, yoga centers, etc.?
Absolutely. I think that is where the industry is moving now. They will be tying up with a lot of wellness providers, so that people actually they can engage, because it is not just about premium reduction or claim reduction. They also want, because insurance is a very low engagement product as of today. Once you sell the policy, you basically don't have any interaction unless and until a customer files a claim. So what insurance companies want to do is they want to engage with the customer on a day-to-day basis through apps or through other means. So wellness benefit is one area which provides a lot of engagement. So if you provide a yoga voucher or a gym voucher, these things will definitely help in improving the engagement with the customer, thereby increasing the chances of upsell or cross sell opportunities. So this is what insurance companies are eyeing for.
Okay, thanks a lot, Naval, then for joining us in this very interesting discussion on health insurance. We'll wrap it up on The Money Show. Thank you for watching.